मागचो इंटरप्ट कोत्ता सगळे म्हाका दिसता ही पॅसेंजर ट्रेन वी आर गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब I am getting disturbed, but I think so तुम्ही संस्था असतले डेली yes we are fighting against double tracking. This is still a single track. Double tracking जातो 5 मिनिटांनी यो ट्रेन वेतेलो कोळशाच्यो.
Protest which suggests that the environment remains a critical issue in states like Goa. Thousands of citizens and activists staged a protest all through the night on a railway line.
Protesters protesting against 3 Mollem projects in Panji were detained by the police. They were holding demonstrations at Pato and near Panji church.
Why do we need the double tracking? The double tracking at present is creating a lot of problems for us in the village. We are living next to the track. The trains are speeding up. The coal trains are going heavier. The vibration is more. We have houses which are about 50 meters away developing cracks. My own house, which is round about built in the 70s, but now at present it has developed cracks.
They are heard. The party is heard. It is deemed to be heard.
This time, I have decided that I will be voting and I'll be convincing others that we should vote for the India Alliance. Why? The candidate chosen is a person from the grassroots. After he has served in the military, in the Kargil war, he has been fighting. That fighting spirit is not gone. He has been fighting about the various issues which are happening in Goa, especially in our area here.
कॅप्टन विरे आठवण सांगले मोजी गिरेस काय डबल ट्रॅकिंग कोल दाबोली एअरपोर्ट टॅक्सी कार.
Imagine the health problem that will have.
Another one thing is the coal pollution is getting so much that we have to keep on cleaning our house and then we get all sorts of pollution, everything, health effort, sore throats, etc., etc.
The game is not going to stop with second track. There is a third track. I said, Doctor, ये third track को येवपाचे हा. We are just fighting against second track. There is a third track which is also mentioned in the Sagarmala document. It is whose document? It is a document released by Prime Minister Modi. So you can imagine आणि कितली घरा मोडपाची हा पळय ते.
How could you have this kind of hearing during the pandemic? Knowing that Goa is going through such a tough time, not just Goa, the whole country and the world. Isn't life more important than these redundant projects that are only going to destroy our state?
He is a candidate who says that he will fight for what the people want. But I feel that the other people who are opposing him, they say that the double tracking is essential. Essential for whom? Essential for us? No, it is essential for those people who have interest in coal, interest in some steel plants, etc., which are not here. We are only used as a passageway through. See there, we have to stop.